Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope y'all are doing good this morning. Yeah, we're live on TikTok. All right. Now, are we live on YouTube? Let's see. I'll get to that later. What's up, peeps? Good morning. Be trading through open. Don't care if there's any news right now. Don't give two fucks. All right, now this is sent. I don't know if the emails went out. Let's see. Yep. All right, we're getting there. I swear. All right, now, I don't know if we're actually live. Trading through open, that's correct. Let's go over to here. Go over to here, over to here. Hopefully I'll be able to be a little more consistent for you guys in the upcoming weeks. October 14th. Yep. Now let's see what we got over here. Hopefully I'll be able to be a little more consistent for you guys. And there is a delay. Let's get that taken care of. Yay, George. Missed you too. What's up, George? GB, Justin, good morning, good morning. Old school Mick, Robert Lee, good morning. Bob Ooten. What's up, Bob? Yeah, I'll be a little more consistent now. We're done with the cruising for at least a month. We're going on another cruise soon, but we got a while for that. All right, what do we got going on here? Buy stop still formlessly a dip back down, which it always does. 12-hour daily. Really? Daily? No, we're still there. Buy stop all indices. We'll get into the details of that. You can play the sells if you want, but long term, that's just silly. You know what we haven't done in a while? Let's play this. What the hell? Stop. Grammarly, really? All right. Now, why do I not hear that? Ah, there we go. Haven't played this in over 2.5 weeks since Keith passed. What's up, Keith? I hope you're having fun up there in heaven. Good morning, Jake. Good morning, Jones 808. Yeah, cruising's fun. Love Royal Caribbean. I wonder if that'll do it. All right, it's not turned up high, but that's all right. Still get you in the mood a little. Morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Facebook Live. Good morning to everybody. Go back. All right. Now, don't know if there's any news in 2 minutes. Don't care if there's any news. Morning, Jose Luis. Good morning, Cole Felix. Good morning, Brexit. Good morning, Jones 808 and Jake. Thank you, Jake, for everything you do for us, by the way. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see. Let me do a little in-depth thing here on the indices. Get us some good numbers. Good morning, George Hyde. Brexit. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Facebook Live. I've only been on a couple times last week or so. Hopefully I'll be a lot more consistent, though. What's up, Boring Bear? Welcome to the channel. You're new here. Everyone say good morning to Boring Bear. Boring Bear, everybody you see in blue has been with me. 99% of everybody you see in blue has been with me a year, 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years. So you could talk to them if you'd like, ask them questions. What's up, Kia Alex? Kia Alex. Kia Alex, Fed chair. I can give 2 fucks. Les Powell's an asshole. And all the news is useless. Don't worry about any news. System calls it before it does it, just like it did that drop. I think it was US 30, if I'm not mistaken. 30-minute sell stop was yesterday. I know that. See, there's the sell stop right there, right before the news. With China, what a joke. It's 100% buy stop. All right, let's get into this. All right, let's see where that 30-minute sell is going to go and how low. Good morning, Ruben. Good morning, Joe Biga. All right, let's go over to here. There we go. So we have buy stop, sell, sell, sell. We're flipping. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, US 30. Let me go over to the 5-second blue line and see. Let's see if we're going to go down to the 62. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go here to the 10-second, 5-second. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, look, take any buy stop you can find until the 5-second blue line and US 30s hit. That goes for NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1. So look for the 5-second buy stops on US 30 and YM1 especially, but all 6 indices will be doing that. Now, next. Buy stop 30-second, ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS, buy stop to the 30-second blue lines. Those are easy. Love those trades.
Demo easy trade peasy. Only. I am not a financial advisor.
What's up, Physique Pablo? What's up, Lachey, Ruben, Joe Biga? Check RZLV. Yeah, in a minute. Remind me of that in case I forget. All right, now let's see what our 45 minutes are doing. Ricochet, sell, stop, NQ1, NAS to the 45-minute blue line, take profit 1. Where the hell's my take profits at? NAS. So NAS is going to arch up and then hook and come back down. 24,346.36. 45-minute sell stop on NAS. Let's see if any of them are at the hour. No, not yet. Yeah, now you can do the sells if you want. I never recommend them. We're in a permanent buy. Good morning, Ice Bullet on TikTok. There's a lot of you on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. A more important trade, the one that you guys should be trading right now, is a 12-hour daily buy stop. Here's your take profits for those. Take profit 6,725 for ES1. Take profit $6,696 for SPX 500. Take profit $25,022.75 for NQ1. Take profit $24,821.89 for NAS. Take profit on a 12-hour daily buy of $46,275.15 for US 30. Take profit, I don't know. Take profit too high. Okay, now it's just annoying me. Hold on one sec here. Okay, well, YM1 isn't getting a take profit. Fuck it. I'm not wasting any more clicks. Good morning, everybody. All right, so that is your indices for your short term, extremely short term, 5-second buy, 30-second buy, all 6 indices. I would definitely be looking hard into those. Basically free money on US 30 and YM1. Then you have a 30-minute ricochet down to the 45-minute blue line on the indices. I never take sells. We're in permanent buys because the higher flow of the market is high. The daily, the weeklies are buys, so just hang in there. And that is your daily. So we're good on those, okay? Does anybody have any questions over the indices, yes or no? What's up, Sam K? Morning, Saw. Good morning, John.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Let's go ahead and see what he wants right here. $. What the fuck is this thing? RZ. Resolve. What the fuck is that? That looks like a made-up stock. RZLV. Well, you can see by the rifle. Sell, 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 sell. It looks like it's going down to the 1 hour. Let me go check out the 45-minute and see what's up. $45-minute sell to the sell stop. Demo trade only. Take profit $5.17. Yeah, this isn't sounding good to me, but let's keep looking for them. 12-hour daily. 12-hour daily buy stop. Where's the 12-hour at? Hold on. Take profit $7.10. Weekly, 3-weekly sell. Yeah, I don't like RZLV. I don't like it at all. You can do with it what you want.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I personally would never trade that, ever. Physique Popular. There's way better stocks that we have. Good morning, Smit Patel. Morning, Sog and John. Lachey, Ruben, Joe, Kia. All right, let's keep going then if no one has any questions. Gold. Gee, I wonder if gold's going up to record highs as I've been calling. I think it was 1300 we started with our gold run. Gold, you can do shorter term buys, feel free. Looks, oh good, it's already pulled down a little to the 1 minute. Let's see what's going on here. Sell stop gold to 4,101.90. 2 minute sell, demo only. But I would only do buys on gold ever, even though it's already at record highs again and again. It's a 1 hour buy stop on gold. It's going to dip a little, then come back up. $4,131.97. Then it's go over $4,182. Personally, gold is completely a closed symbol, just like all the indices are. I've called out all the indices to record highs with 100% accuracy. I've called out that 6 different symbols, US 30. These were all called correctly. Gold has also been called correctly. Silver has also been called correctly. 100% accuracy. But what the hell? The weekly has to come down. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen with gold over the next several months. Price action is going to do this. It's going to come up somewhere around here. Then it's going to hook and come down like that. This little orange line is going to come like this. Little yellow line will come underneath it. You're going to see price action come down, or the bullshit detector come down like this. It's going to hook and come back up. You're going to see this little yellow line do this right here. More importantly, on the most important indicator in the history of the world, the sniper, pink line's going to come down like this. So hook and come back up. Blue line will stay across. This is what's going to happen from now until January. Sometime by the end of January, we'll see this pink line come down like it did here, 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 and here. It's going to do just like it did here this year, January this year, September. So that's what gold's going to be doing. Just remember, I drew it out for you. So when it does it, you can't say that you didn't remember that's what it was. What's up, Lazarus? Good morning, Lazarus, on TikTok. All right, so that's gold. Silver, same thing. It's going to go to record highs, always has been. I've been calling it silver since like 20-something. I don't know, whatever it was. Called it to go over 50, 53. Right, it's going to go over 55 next, and that's silver.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Litecoin.
advisor.
What a gorgeous time. One of our members got in at 56. Yeah, mine doesn't even show it went that low. But anyway, Litecoin is fantastic. Love it still. Don't care what you just saw happen. By the way, thank God this movement right here happened when I was on the cruise. This thing right here. Because it woke up so many people on TikTok and Instagram and all these people. Oh, the market's rigged. How did all the cryptos go down at the exact same time? And yeah, the market is rigged. That's how my system works. My system reads what they're going to do before they do it. So this is 100% rigged. This was fantastic. This happened. Perfect. One of our members got in at 56. It went up to 103 like the next day. So that's Litecoin. My original recommendation was 103 buy-in. Still calling it 3-month buy stop, monthly buy stop, 3-week buy stop, weekly buy stop, daily, weekly buy stop. Litecoin will be going back to $114, $121, and then it will go over $132. It's already done 133, by the way, right before that fall. See, we're at 135. So from my call of 103, you're up over 30% on your Litecoin call from when I first called it. Sell, 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 sell. Let's see where it's going to. weekly we don't see. Yeah, that's all. You can do some sells if you want a Litecoin, but I would never do that. Buy only on Litecoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Smith Patel, I got in at 65. Wow, really, Smith? God, I wish I could have done that. I would have bought, yeah. You'd have to put in maybe like 1,000 coins or something like that, man. You would have just fucking easy money. Cruise ship is great. Internet is not so much great. They have hit or miss spots. They only give you 2 outlets. We had a suite too. Sunset suite. And there's still only 2 outlets in the whole fucking room. Congratulations, Smith. Good morning, Crash. All right, so that is Litecoin. Nike. Let's see what the old Nike's doing. Weekly sell to the blue line, Nike. $63.95 for Nike. I would never do a sell on Nike. I would just do a long-term option. 3-month, 6-month buy stop Nike. Take profit 1. $84.33. $96.03, and then $125.29. I love Nike. I would look into getting some demo leaps only options on Nike. I forgot what my strike prices were on those. I would definitely be looking at $96, $92. Hell, you can go up here $120. Just you'll pay more because you're going out with time, but you'll pay a lot less because you know where it's going. And you don't need it to go there. Remember that. I was up $107 on my United options, and we weren't even within $100 of the strike price because it had moved up so much. So you have the time that makes your money. You don't need to have the actual Nike to go over 120. If you buy it down here and it goes up to that yellow line or whatever, you could just make money with your time that's left on the options. So I know the options are a little tricky for some people. I've been trading them since 1991. We were doing Intel, me and my brother were doing Intel and Marvel options back then. I would probably gather together to say that most of you weren't alive, or a lot of you weren't alive in 1991. When you call weekly, monthly buys, does it fill the gap in the sniper? When you call, what do you mean? Well, here, let me go over here for you. I'll show you exactly. You need to actually put some time in and work. I can tell you're new. Is that Robert? Yeah, he needs to get his training too. What a fuck up that was yesterday. When you see this red right here, Robert, watch. The way I would read every chart, orange line high, pink line low. The pink line matches over here. Then you have your red against the green right here. These are your buy stops. That's how you read your charts. Everybody should know that as a basic concept of the system. And this is why it's being called a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Those are your 2 combined charts. You never trade one chart at a time. 7s, if you all understand how to read that chart I just did. The sniper is your confirmation. Without the sniper, you can't do anything. You know how long to hold the trade because of the sniper. You know what trade not to get into because of the sniper. And you know how much take profit to take because of the sniper. Sniper is the single most important indicator in the history of the world. Thank you, Lazarus. Lazarus, the nice bullet. You can apply what I just taught you, Robert, on Nike to Litecoin. Hello. Good morning, Kirk Brown. Okay, so y'all get it. Good. Robert, you'll get it eventually. Just take your time, learn the system. All right, so that's why I'm reading Nike the way I'm reading it. If we go over to Target, right? Target is the exact same thing. Watch. Orange line high, pink line low, pink and purple low. You have your buy stop right here with your fill in the gap. And that's your read. Now there's 20,000. Okay, then you have our, the green candles are green. Then you have our logo that formed over here. Then you have the bullshit detector being solid green with a gap right there. Then you have these actually are green. Then you have it went below, the orange line went below. Then you have our logo over here. Technically with my system, just on the raw system, without the sniper, you can get up to about 30 different indicators to tell you to take the trade. I just give you the very, very basic so you don't get all confused. This is high, this is low. These are low, and that's your fill in the gap with your buy stop. And that's what you read it like. What's up, Ruben? Thank you, George, Joe Vega, Sam K. Does that make sense to you, Robert? So Robert can see it because I did that 3 times now for you. And this is Target. I can't recommend Target as a strong enough buy is if I own some options in it, which I do. Demo trade only. Take profit one, $104.53, $120.38, $138.22, $169.69 for Target. I would go to my public account. I would go to my Thinkorswim account or whatever they call it these days. I would go anywhere that trades long-term options, leaps. They used to call them leaps. I think they call them long-term or whatever now. I would look at something a year and a year and a half from now. I would look at something that is minimum I'd be looking at, like 130 strike price. And I would do the leap at 130 on Target. I would buy a minimum 2 of those. And then when I bought those, I would just sit. I don't give a fuck how low it goes. If it keeps going lower, I would just buy 2 more of them and 2 more of them. Because this will flip around on Target, 3 months, 6 months. The problem is it's going to take 3 months, 6 months to flip around. It's a very, very, very slow trade. So you're going to have to take your time on this. Maybe go out a year and a half, 2 years. I don't know. Whatever the longest time period you can get comfortably. Demo trade only. And then you'll see Target go up. Good morning, Marley Mar. What's up, Marley Mar? What's up, Cody Scheffler? What's up, Cody? Are you guys catching on what I'm trying to be? How much you down? Down on what? Target? Here, let me see. I don't know where all my damn phones are. Let me go into public. Okay. I'm up 67% on United. Target, I'm down $182.86 on 2 long call options, strike price of 155, September 18th, 2026. So that's when I'm down on Target. And it's pennies. Again, with options, you just can eat the downs like it's nothing because we know where it's going to go. So I don't give 2 fucks where it's currently at. I don't know how to word that to you. If I know 6 months from now or a year from now, Target's going to be where Target's going to be where I told you, then why do I care if Target's down a little right now? It just means better buy opportunity to come in. Slowly, I just try to apply it. It's the same thing, Robert. It's 100%. Whatever I'm teaching you on Target, I just went over on Litecoin. I'm going to go over it again on Bitcoin for you, and it's the exact same thing. There is no differences how to apply what I'm teaching you on Target right this second to Litecoin or to Bitcoin or to XRP or to XLM or anything. Did that answer your question, Lazarus? I hope I answered your question. All right, let's keep rolling. I'm going to try to get through these if I can, so I'm going to have to speed up a little bit, guys. Sorry. CVS keeps going up no matter what the market's doing. Why? Because it's in its buy stage. This is a buy. It's a 3 month, 6 month buy stop. Let me show you the reasons why. Blue orange line high, pink purple low. You have the 3 months here. You have your red. Then you have your green with the fill in the gap. And price action is going to do this and do this. It already is doing this. We got in down here, and now it's here. It's going to go to there, and then it's going to go up past there. And that's what you're looking for, a 3 month, 6 month buy stop on CVS. Little late entry, but CVS is going to $84.39. And then CVS is going to go to $90, and then CVS is going past $114. Let me look. Here, let me take a pause. I swear to God, I want to get through fucking 50 different things. Let me go to the options on CVS in my public account. So let's go over here. Let's go over to trade. Let's go over to, I don't care about that. Let's go over to stocks. Let's go over to CVS. CVS. Let's go over to here. And no, hold on. Where are my options at? CVS trade. Trade options. All right. CVS trade options. I want to look at a strike price of 85 to 90. So I'm going to go out. I'm going to do a CVS call. It's a buy call. I'm going to go out a long ways away. I'm going to go out as far as they let me. January, so we can go to December. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line, all indices. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line, all indices. I'm not even looking at the charts, and I'm telling you what those indices are doing. We're going to go to December 6th. We're going to go to December 18th, 2026. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And what was my high? I want to go to like 80. Yes. So now I'm going to compare these. 95, 100. 95 is $5. 90. 87. No, but we got comfortable at 85. So let's go to 85. 880. 880 per contract. To break even. Bullshit. No, it's not. Yeah, this is a gimme. I'm going to go ahead and buy. So I'm looking at, do I care about the extra for the 90? I'm going to go with the 85. I'm going to look at a 85, continue. One, I'm just doing, well, actually, I got to change that to 2. 2 options. I'm doing a mark, which I normally wouldn't do a market order. I'd put a limit order in and tell them exactly what I'm willing to pay, but I don't really care. It's demonstration purposes. And let's review order. Yep. I'm going to drop in a little bit. Next. Confirm. And initiate it. And then we're going to review order. Submit order. Options trading rebate 18 cents. Regulatory fee 4 cents. Total cost is $879.86 for one. And I'm doing 2. All right, submitted it in. And there you go. Rebate tier 4. You're earning the highest default rebate of 18 cents per contract. Oh, how cute is that? All right. Did everybody understand what I was just talking about? I just explained to you how to look for your options. Yes or no? Yes, 7s, you understand what I just did with the CVS option. How I went out long. Because you can make options with money left on your contract, time left on your contract, or in the money. You don't have to be in the money to make money. Like, if it goes up now $5 a share or something like that, I'll be rich as fuck off of 2 little contracts. I'll close one down when I hit my take profit of what I want, the orange lines, and then I'll let one stay open until it goes up forever, until it comes near expiry. Then I'll probably drop that one off. You're welcome, Crash. Bob Ooten, Kirk, Sam. Okay, Joe Bigga. All right, so there you go. Easy peasy. CVS, easy peasy. Target. And again, let's go back to that for a split second. If they keep dropping Target down to $69 and $56, I'll just buy fucking 10 more options on Target. And I'll catch it on the way back up, and I'll make more money than, you know. Whenever they drop it down, you make more money on the way up. I say it all the time to you guys, but I don't know if you guys understand that. Like, who cares if they drop? This is what you want to see happen. You literally want to see the 60 minutes turn red. I want to see the 90-minute turn red. I want to see the 2-hour turn red. I want to see the 3-hour turn red. I want to see the 4-hour turn red. Why? Because when they start to flip these things around and everything starts going green right here, green, 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 you do the buy stop, do the buy stop to the 5-second blue line, all indices. Then when these all start coming up, you make more money on the way up because then all of these that were red now get to go up and you're going to make all your money. So the further they drop target down, the more money I make on the way up. Does that make sense? Why? I swear, some of you don't even understand that basic concept. So if target's going down, let it go down. We know it's going to go back up for a fact. That's why we have the system. Maybe you guys don't trust the system enough? I don't know. Yeses or sevens if you understand that the further they drop a stock that's in a buy stop on a 3-month, 6-month, for instance, on target, we don't give a fuck. I hope they drop it down to fucking $5. I'll buy more fucking target. I'll buy the damn stock. I don't know. Well, good. Brexit gets it. Lachey, crash, Ken. Okay. Old school Mick. Yep. All right. So there you go. CVS, I just did an option live with y'all. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Now, normally, let's be clear, I would do my options when it's down here, i.e., look at target. See where price action is way down here? We want to buy your options like I did with, United. I'll show you United in a minute. United is through the roof. You still have tons of time to get into United. Take any 30-minute buy stop on Litecoin. Take any 30-minute buy stop on gold and silver. Take any 30-minute buy stop on Nike. Take any 30-minute buy stop on Target. Take any 30-minute buy stop on CVS. L, we've been kicking fucking ass since L was down here. Estee Lauder. Right? And now it's up to here. And this is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Estee Lauder, take profit. Yeah, no, blue line's here. It's blue-orange line. Yes, it's still here. The problem comes in, TradingView doesn't give you enough history so you could see it. That's all. See? When there's enough history, when it can look back enough, the blue line forms. That's why we put the orange lines in here. That's all. So they don't see the daily, the blue line's there. They just don't have enough history for the weeklies and the 3-monthlies and such to form. Okay, so that's Estee Lauder. Buy, stop, take profit 156, 200, and so on. Verizon. Verizon's a little bit higher. See over here where this is 6 months. We have to make that a 12-month. We have to make this a 6-month. And Verizon is a 6-month, 12-month buy stop. What does that mean? It means orange, blue line high, pink line coming down, has a little bit more to come down. Pink and purple, you have the red here and the green over here. Now we're looking at our buy stop in. And there's your take profits. $48.53, $52.94, and then it will go past $62. And that's Verizon. Good morning, Tank Dog. What's up, Tank Dog? SMCI. Let's see what SMCI is. It's probably a monthly. Nope, 3 weekly. 3 week. Oh, it's already gone up too. SMCI has already gone up and hit its take profit of where I wanted it to, $61. It will eventually go up over $70. Sure, why not? And this is a 3 week. Let me see. Monthly buy stop. So you're going to see that fill in the gap. See, this is going to come up and touch and close in a month, 2 months, and then you'll see price action go up above the orange. And that's what it's doing. Boom, boom, boom. And that is SMCI.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right, PFE. PFE is a big time. It's got to be up here somewhere. It is. PFE is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Same exact setup. Pink, blue, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Take profit, $29, $35, $39, and $43.89. Starbucks.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Starbucks. It must be a monthly. Let's see. Yep, there it is. Same 1, 2. See? High orange, pink, right there. Pink, purple, low. 3. See, your blue line came down. 4, buy stop inside of the gap. That's our logo over here. Boom. That's your buy stop. Let Starbucks keep going down. I love it, and I love Starbucks. Sell Starbucks to $71.32, but I would never do a sell on Starbucks. It is a take profit of $86.26, $96.81, $104.71. I'm sure it is crash. I've already, Jesus, Blanco, I've already done NAS. I've already done all indices multiple times this morning. Go back and rewatch what I called on YouTube. Flow. Flow must be a 6-month. It is. Very, very slow developing, but flow can keep going down. Take profit of $14, $16, $19, $22.22 on a 3-month, 6-month buy stop on flow. It's not the greatest, but I like it. Everything holds true. You can clearly see orange high, pink, purple coming down. That's why it's still coming down. This is your fill in the gap trade right here. It means there's a space between the green and the yellow, a huge space. If you come over here, you're going to see the pink and purple low. You're going to see this red thing fit over here like a puzzle piece, and that's the buy stop. And eventually it'll go to where I told you, and that is flow.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Oxy. Damn. Oxy is going to take a minute. Oxy is a 6-month, 12-month buy stop. High, low. Not liking this. Has to drop a little bit further first for my preference, but nonetheless, Oxy is a buy stop, $51.63, $62.35, and then it will go past $80.22. TM. I'm going to have to speed this up, aren't I? Damn, run out of time. TM. Okay. Probably a 3-week monthly. Yep. 3-week monthly buy stop for TM. It's already gone up to, I know we've already hit take profit a couple times here. $201.83. It's going to go up to $213.30, and then we'll go over $252. Same reasoning. Blue line high, pink line. See, I don't like this hook right here on that. That's a challenge. I'd probably up this to the, let me see. I would up this to the 3 months. Much better. Yeah. 3-week, 3-month buy stop. Same thing. It's going to go where I told you it's going to go, but that's what I would read that as. Okay. So that's TM.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
AT&T, same thing I've always told you guys. It's the buy. 6-month, 12-month buy stop. Damn, it's going to be slow as molasses. Well, it's already done really good, though. Yeah, AT&T is a closed trade. It's done everything I wanted it to do. I'm pretty much done calling it. But it's going to go up, and I'm done. Bitcoin, another closed trade, meaning 100% accuracy. When I say I closed the trade down, that means it was 100% accurately called in Bitcoin's case. I've called Bitcoin 100% accurately, and now it's off the charts as far as being able to read it with the charts. Bitcoin has done everything I've asked it to do since March the 8th, 2023, when it was at 26,500. Bitcoin is now a closed trade. You should have got in here if you had the system when it was at 26,500 when I told you to. Then you would have went up to here. You'd have 400% your money if you had my system. 400% your money on Bitcoin. Now it's just too high. I'm not going to call it. Well, I will call it, but it's done as far as everything I'm concerned, including the 125,000 I told you was going to hit. It'll be going past 130,000 Bitcoin. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Crash. Apologies for my interruption. Studied all Uno reverse all weekend through this morning. Your voice is all I hear when I look at a chart now that I've worked so hard to improve. That's funny as fuck. All you hear is my voice. That's kind of scary. Ugh. All right, so that's Bitcoin. Same thing for Ethereum. Ethereum has done everything I asked for it. Larry, one of our great members, we've been calling Ethereum correctly since down here when it was at 1,500. I called it all the way up to 5,000, and that's where it's gone. Ethereum is a closed trade. Ethereum is as good as it gets. I've called Ethereum 100% accurately over the last several years. I'm done with Ethereum at this time. Same for XRP. Now, I can still give you a free call out here because they're all going up. XRP is a daily, weekly, let me see over here, daily, weekly buy stop. XRP will be going back to $2.58, and then it will go to $2.87, and eventually it'll go over $3.80. XLM's the same thing. Take profit of 37 cents and then 44 cents. ASML is also a closed trade. XLM's a closed trade, meaning 100% accuracy on XLM since it was 31 cents. If you'd have had my system and listened to my demo call out, you would have made 10 banger, 1,000% on your money. Not 100, not 500. You'd have went from 31 cents to $3.10 and over on XRP. Sorry. So Bitcoin, AT&T, Ethereum, XRP, XLM, and ASLM are all closed trades. I'm not calling SLM anymore. I called it 100% accurately. Amazon. I just love Amazon. I'm going to call it even though it is closed too. $236.97. I love Amazon. Don't give a fuck what you guys think of whatever. I don't care. Netflix, I'm not calling. I've called that so correctly. I'm done with it. It's overvalued, but it's going to keep going up. Hint, hint. NVIDIA. NVIDIA, take any 30-minute buy stop. I've called NVIDIA correctly for years. Johnson & Johnson. I told you guys about Johnson & Johnson. I came within less than $1 of the bottom, and look at it go up. Well, I told you where it was. I just love Johnson & Johnson. I'm so glad I was so right on that one. Made all kinds of money. I think it was like 8,000 on one pop, another 6,000 something on another pop. Johnson & Johnson was so easy to play. It was a gimme of all year. That was the easiest, freest money you're ever going to get on Johnson & Johnson. I'm not calling it anymore, though. We're done. AMD.
Demo trade only.
Look,
I am not a
what the fuck is this on AMD? They skipped the line. I love when they do this cheating shit. Look at this. Told you. Daily buy stop, AMD. All take profits hit on AMD. Told you. Told you how high it was going to go. Told you some more. AMD is also a closed trade. I was 100% accurate and recently accurate on AMD. Done with that. Costco. I probably don't have time to look at any stocks. BBAI. So if that's a stock, I can't look at it. Here we go. Costco is going to go back up. Looks like it's still a daily sell. Let me go into this weekly real quick. Weekly, 3 weekly buy stop Costco, $1,012. That's where it's going to. McDonald's. I've accurately called McDonald's for over a year now. It's a closed trade. I'm not calling it anymore. Microsoft, called it accurately. It's going to go back up to $552.44, but I'm not calling it anymore.
Demo trade
Hilton,
only.
I'm not calling anymore.
Financial advisor.
My system, the signal service, everything is called Hilton correctly forever now. It's going to go back to $271.47, but I'm not calling it.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Google G. Look at this. It's as basic as you can do. This is your buy stop on Google weekly, right? You could have got in at Google and should have got in Google at 153. You'd have almost, 70% your money. I'm done with Google. I've called 100% accurately. It's a closed trade. Apple, same thing. You should have got in when I told you down here. Whatever. It's a closed trade. Apple's 100% accurate. Tesla, G. Did anyone out here keep calling Tesla over and over and over again? Remember I kept saying, I hope he gives me $1 billion so I can just go ahead and keep making these calls for you guys whenever you want. So you don't have to live off of universal basic income. But Tesla done exactly what I told you it was going to do. It'll eventually go over 500. I think it did. Yeah, it did right there. Well, whatever, close enough. United Healthcare. Now, here's one that you guys still have tons of time on. This is the one of my options. It was 100%. Now it's 70% up. United Healthcare. Strongest buy recommendation I can give. Strongest buy recommendation I can give on United Healthcare. Demo trade only. I mean, this is so easy. It's a monthly, 3-monthly buy stop. Take profit of 406. Take profit of 454. Then eventually go over 633. Now, what are my options on United? Let's take a look. Done. Okay, let's get back out of there. Let's go back out of there. Let's go back out of there. Let's get out of there. All right, my options are 490, and I have till July 17th, 2026. So 490. So I called it off the orange line. Yeah, and I'm already in the money 100% when it's down here. Understand that. My strike price, my break even is here, up here. I'm in the money 107% when it's down here. Why? Because I caught it when it was down here and I put my option play when it was here. So it's not in the money on the strike price, but it's in the money on the time. I have over a fucking, what, a year and a half left, left for this to go. I don't even need it to go up. I'm already in the money. Right now, I'm still in the money 70%, but it's going to go up where I said it is. When it goes up there, I'll be up 400-500% on those United Healthcare options. Okay? Hopefully that helps you guys. Let's go back over here. NVO. Yep, like that. Let's go over to here maybe. Yeah. Monthly buy stop NVO, $79. Take profit, $91. And then $117. Qualcomm, another one kicking fucking ass. I mean, so I'm going to go back into some Qualcomm options. 3-week buy stop options. I sold when it was up there. Take profit of $173.16. You can make more money on Qualcomm demo options.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Disney. I can't give a stronger enough recommendation for United, Qualcomm, and Disney. Disney is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Take profit of $120. 141.04. That's Disney. You can do options on that out your ass. Let's go to Intel. I was told by someone very close to me that no one's buying Intel chips anymore. That's why it's going. I'm like, fuck out of here. Intel's the strongest buy recommendation I could possibly give. Intel. I can't give a stronger recommendation to buy a stock than for Intel. I told you that when it was at $20. Now I'm telling you it's still in the money. But take profit 1 hit. Take profit 2 hit. Intel is going to $41.66. Intel is going to $44.19. That's Intel.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Match is a 3-month, 6-month, 12-month buy stop. I actually like it. I call it Mitch because I didn't know what the fuck it was. $45.21, $67.48. FedEx, FDX. Monthly buy stop FedEx, it's going to go to $250, then $270. P&G. What is that, a 3-week? 3-week monthly buy stop P&G. $151 take profit, $155 take profit, $159 take profit, $164 take profit, and we'll go past $168. EQIX. 3-week. It's going to probably move a little faster. It's good. $835 take profit, and then it's going to go to $862 take profit, $896. EQIX.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
JHX. 3-month. Monthly. Buy stop. $24.86. $27.94, $33.33. ED. Oh, look at ED go. ED is rising. As I told you. Take profit one's for sure hit. Take profit two's probably hit. $104.63, then $106.84. TTD. Not sure I like this one. Let me see. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, sure, why not? Monthly buy stop. $61, $71, $82. All right. Whew, that was a lot. And that's all of them.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
BBAI. Let me see. And then I have to go back to our actual indices so we can make some money. BBAI. Big Bear AI Incorporated. Okay, let's see. No, I can't tell. 3 week. It's all buys already over the top. Yeah, weekly, you're too late. You should have got in there. It's a daily buy. If you had my system, you'd have been at $5.15, and now you'd have doubled your money. Clearly, it was a buy stop daily. Green, 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 red, pink crossed the blue. There's your buy stop. Orange went below. It was a daily, weekly buy. Can I call anything now? No, I'm not touching it. It's too late. You should have got in my system. You should have had my system, which you do, and looked at it then. All right. That's everything. No more call outs. I'm going to go over to the actual. We're going to trade live. Oh, a quick little update first. The robot, obviously, with Keith's passing, the great Keith Palmer, put some respect on his name. Love you, Keith. Is the robot is still being worked on. I'm going to be meeting with his son, KJ, here sometime this week. And we're going to be doing some work on the robot. But the robot has been obviously a little challenged. So you guys have to be patient and respect Keith's passing. And I can't believe somebody asked something about the robot, and it was kind of rudely asked. I tolerated it. But if someone asks something else about the upcoming robot and they're not nice about it, I will fucking ban you from everything and kick you out of everything. And so be respectful. Keith passed, and that is a detrimental blow to the development of the robot. Okay. Now, let's go back to these little charts. And let's see what we shall see. Oh, look at the US 30. I was correct. Hello. Did I not get any? I was correct with US 30 and YM1. You're welcome on that. What do we got going on here? Is this a 10-second buy? Let me see real quick. Five-second buy NAS. Let me see. Let's focus in on NAS. Yeah. Buy stop ES1, SPX, and Q1 NAS to the 5-second blue line, but we're going to wait. It's going to be patient, but hopefully it'll do it by open. Look at US 30 and YM1. Look how correct I was on those calls. Just wasn't even paying attention, but there you go. All right, at 9:30, I'm going to go exactly at 9:30. I'm not staying. Well, I guess 9:35 maybe or something. But yeah, that's it. $74. Yay, Bob. Congratulations, Bob. Thank you, Crash. That is true. How is the family holding up? KJ's doing real good. Chad's, it's tough. He has a lot of children. He had a lot of sons and daughters. And his beautiful significant other, Sunshine. Yeah, they're hanging in there. Me and Bree might be going up next month to Keith's celebration of life. The great Keith Palmer. Put some respect on his name. All right, let's watch these now. Let's hope we get a nice little pullback on US 30 and YM1, and then we can have another buy at open. I'll wait. Yeah, Miss Keith. But we'll keep it rolling. God bless Keith. Yeah, absolutely. It is Brian Flores, 1 hour sell. I've already called that this morning. No, not this morning. I'm going to stay right here. But I can do that next time I'm on the live. Positive relationship. Love your name, by the way. Ricochet sell SPX ES1 back down to the 5-second blue line. I would never do a sell. Just be patient. We have about 7 minutes for market open. Hopefully we'll see these start to turn to the greens. If not, fuck it. I don't care. I really got to go. God dang, I need an adjustment. My right neck and my thoracic and cervical area. Fuck. Thank God my brother's a retired chiropractor. Yeah, there you go. There's the sell ricochet back down at ES1 SPX to the 5-second blue line. So now we just sit and wait. I'm not playing any of these sells. I'm calling them out for you, but I'm not playing them. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Lazarus, Old School Mick, D-Man, Jeeth May, Sog, Julius, Super Z, Rich OBX, Life Strategies for you. For good things about BPC 157 peptide for your back. Days have posted are more than enough. Says Crash. Yeah, BPC, my brother's an expert in that shit. All the peptides. Love that Kev been at Cairo for 40 years and will be retiring next year. Oh, nice, Sam. Oh, congratulations, Sam. Sam K. I didn't know you were a Cairo. I knew you were a doctor. I didn't know which doctor you were, what your specialty was. Yeah, we went to Aruba, and there was a Life. My brother went to Life Chiropractic in Atlanta. And there was a Life chiropractor, Aruba, super nice guy in Aruba, super good guy. He only charged, he got me in. I was so severely, oh, my back was fucking toast, back and shoulder and ribs. At any rate, he got me worked in. He was so busy. It was a Tuesday, I think it was Tuesday, and he was just booming. I mean, he opened from lunch at 2 o'clock, but he saw me within like 10 minutes, gave me an adjustment, only charged me like $76 for a new patient. I gave his office $300. I said, here, just take a couple $100 cash and buy yourself some pizza. He helped my ribs out so much. And then when I got home, my brother helped my neck out so much. If you've never been to the chiropractor, you're missing a lot. What's up, Super Z and D-Man? Graduated Life in 1985. Do you know Sam K? I don't know when Mike graduated. Did you know Mike Grego? Michael Grego? I don't know what he was going by then. Oh yeah, I used to. I own three chiropractic clinics. I own three chiropractic clinics and three medical clinics. I own three gyms, three chiropractic clinics, and three medical clinics for 20 years. And then, yeah, there we go. Take any buy stop you can find on any of the indices. 5 seconds to the blue line, SPX, I just did it. Fuck. Me, I love chiropractic. But if you've never been adjusted, you're missing out. I have a couple, well, I used to have a couple. I still have one state record for bench press. If you've never been adjusted, I don't know how you're living. You feel so much better with adjustments. Oh, I don't believe in it. I don't give a. You think my ribs believed in it or not? You think my thoracic T2, T1 believed in it or not? It works. That's how I fucking got better. It's still a little stiff. That's the problem. But good morning, Super Z. I own four chiropractors. Love that you're into it. I like you for a reason. There's a Sanjay, right? Yeah, we always did the gym, Cairo, and then at one time we were MDDC. I had a few of those, two of those, three of those. Two in LaGrange, Georgia, one in Noonan. There's your buy stop to the blue line again for SPX ES1. Look for US 30 buy stop, YM1 to the 5-second blue line. Just be patient. These are the beginnings of everything. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line, all indices. Oh, damn, I already went over it. Market open in less than a minute. I'm calling for a buy stop in market open. If they do not go up, I don't care. I'm not trading it. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What's up, Matt Parker? Good morning, Matt. You're in the money on ES1. You're in the money on SPX. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on NQ1. That's your 10-second buys. If you want something to go down, look for YM1 to go down, but I'm not calling a sell. I'm just calling buys. So let this drop all at once. We'll get in later. Market open. Buy, stop, NQ and NAS, 10-second buy. 10-second buy, SPX. Stay right here and wait. I'm not going to stay long, though. I got to go. It's dropping. It's a sell. That's fine. I don't care. I'm not sticking around. All right, where can I call you guys in for after we're done here? 3 minute. 5 minute. Let me see the 5 minute. Sell, sell, sell. That's what it's doing. Sell to the 24,386 for NAS, but I don't care about sells. To the 15, let's see that 45 minute. Sell, stop, all indices, especially NAS and NQ to the 45-minute blue line as I called. I don't know how long I've been on here for an hour or whatever it is. 24,345. I would never play a sell, but I'm calling it for those of you who like to do the sells. Play any buy stop. Play any 12-hour buy stop. I've already read out to take profits. That's what I'd be waiting to do. It's going to dip a little first, then come back up later. Probably today, tomorrow. I don't give a fuck. Whenever it does, you'll know. All right, guys, got to go. All right, TikTokers, God bless. Have a great day. Remember, life is short. Enjoy the heck out of it. All right, YouTubers, got to go. It's called central nervous system. P.S. It's only responsible for your entire electronic hello get adjusted. I know, right? Here we go. All right, guys, got to go. Love y'all. God bless. Have a great rest of your day. Remember, life is short. Enjoy the heck out of it.